Hi, I'm Rohan. One thing that we realized is that if you add AI to your existing workflows and make it context aware, it brings a 10 times better productivity in whatever you're doing. And that's why we built Pero, which is a Slack app. And it enables you to do many things that you've been trying to do with ChatGPT, but now right within your Slack. So let's come to the first example. Here I'm in my sales channel, and the good thing about Pero is that it can behave differently with every channel. Think of it as a custom GPT but within your Slack, right? So I give Pero channel instructions and I can mention anything here, however I want that AI to behave, right? And just pin it. Then Pero will read these instructions and adhere to these for every task that you give it to this in this channel. So here I made it a sales expert, right? For Spur, my SaaS company, right? A bunch of stuff about Stir, use various industry proven sales techniques to provide feedback, write copy, and get the best conversions for sales at Spur. I've already done this above, but just for the sake of demo, let's go for it again. I want to sell template viewer to an apparel brand. Help me draft an email copy personalized to that industry. Now, since it already knows about Spur and I want to create a personalized copy relative to a specific industry, you can clearly see how well crafted this email already is. But the good thing here is I can just tag my peers after this and then they can take it forward. Or maybe just give Pero more feedback and brainstorm on it. Right. But Pero is multimodal. It can see as well. So let's say we designed a new structure for a table, right? All I can do to get more intelligence by just doing a simple tagging is that, hey Pero, can you have a look at this table design and point out places where we can make these stats easier to understand, right? So design discussions are something again that I personally have done a lot as an engineer with our product designers at Spur and at my previous companies. And this again is something that is very valuable. I can just quickly tag it and see what things I can improve right away. And if we just see this table, it's a bit bland right now, not easy to understand. So visual hierarchy, data formatting, alignment, column widths, information density, these all are really good feedbacks, right? And if you'll notice that the sales Pero was very different than the design Pero, right? And that is made by the system prompt, which is just a message you put in the channel and just pin it. Just mention Pero channel instructions and that's it. Wonderful. This is so much good amount of feedback that I can act on right away. While there's much more, there's another powerful feature that Pero has is that this thread here has 31 replies. And I just want to know that if anything has to be done or not, right? So I'll just write Pero, can you summarize this thread for me? Also, are there any pending actionables now? Let's see. Now here, Pero will read through this whole conversation. It will understand these images. And then based on that, it will give you a summary of this thread, plus of course, answer my question right after. So clearly it is summarizing each of these points. It's tagging the relevant people where they were involved in doing whatever. And now I have the whole summary of this thread without actually spending probably another 30 minutes trying to understand what happened here, right? And this is just the starting. We want to enable Pero to probably enable you to chat with even videos, chat with PDFs, perform some simple actions on your behalf, set up reminders, who knows. Lot of powers that are just waiting to be tapped by AI, and we want to be the frontiers in that. So if you want early access for Pero, you can pre-order it right now and you'll get an install link within a week. Thank you.